Welcome to our lesson about the Revolve command. I've got an active sketch on the XY plane. Let's start by creating a profile. Activate the line tool. Vertical line. Horizontal line. And let's close our profile. Right-click and done. Finish the sketch. Now let's activate the Revolve command. The profile is already pre-selected as you see in the graphic area, so let's select the axis now. We'll use the Y-axis, select it from the tree, and let's zoom to fit. Extents, let's select full, and click OK. Next, let's insert a second sketch on the XY plane. New sketch. Right-click, Slice Graphics. Now I want to create a circle here and attach it to this edge. If I activate the circle tool, as you see when the cursor moves, my point doesn't snap to the edge. Let's right-click and select Done. We're going to need to use the Project Geometry tool. Now let's select this edge. A green line appears here. This is our projected line. Let's return to the front view. Activate the circle tool. And now the center of my circle snaps to this line. Here's my circle. Right-click and done. And let's apply dimensions. Let's make this dimension 1.5 inches. OK. Now let's dimension the diameter of the circle, 1/2 inch. 0.5, and OK. Let's finish the sketch. Activate the Revolve command again on the Model tab. Once again, my profile is already pre-selected. For the axis, let's use the Y-axis. And as in our previous lesson, we've got 3 options here for how this feature can interact with the material surrounding it. The first one is Join, next is Cut, and third is Intersect. Let's work with Join. Under Extents, we've got a new option now, Angle. And let's extrude in both directions. 120-degree angle. OK. Let's see how we can change dimensions. Let's right-click on Revolution 2 and select Show Dimensions. We're able to grab and drag the dimensions in the graphic area to reposition them. Let's double-click on a dimension to open up the Edit window. Let's change this to 1.75, OK. Let's double-click on this dimension, change it to 1/4 inch, 0.25, OK. Now we need to rebuild our model. The changes take effect. Let's go to the Parameters window now. Here we can rename our dimension. Let's call it Dimension 1. Here Dim 2. And finally Dim 3. As well, we'll change the value. Let's say to 1/2 inch here. And let's click Done. And let's right-click on Revolution 2. Select Edit Sketch. Again, right-click. Dimension Display, and let's select Expression. Here we can see the dimension name. Let's finish the sketch. Click the big green arrow, and this concludes our lesson about using the Revolve tool.